Hello, 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 mega love shout out everyone. Happy blessed Wednesday. Today is March 20, 2025. First of all, we thank God above all because we are okay, fine, and beautiful. Wala nang kokontra, guys. And I hope everybody's doing well. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan lahat at ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. And lagi tayong pray na sana maging peaceful ang ating bansa. At ipag-pray natin si Tatay Digong na former president and the best president of the Republic of the Philippines. Pag-pray natin sana maging safe siya sa Netherlands. And we love you po. We love you po, Tatay Digong. And of course, huwag niyong kalilimutan ang vote straight. PDP laban, of course. Nandyan ang ating napakabait na si Sir Senator Bongo, si Sir Idol Philip Salvador, and sa lahat, vote straight, PDP laban. And of course, mabatiin din natin ang ating mga kapatid, kababayan sa buong mundo. Ipag-pray natin ang kaligtasan ng ating bansa at mapayapa sana ang ating bansa. At syempre, una sa lahat, gusto ko rin batiin ang aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Chard, at sa yung kapatid ko sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog. And of course, I would like to shout out to those who's liking my latest videos. Thank you, Kat Fitri channel, Terima kasih banyak, my sister all the way from Indonesia. Hi, Assalamualaikum, Terima kasih banyak, Sister Kat Fitri channel all the way from Indonesia. And TY Best, shout out TY Best, thank you so much. And shout out to you, TY Best, all the way from USA. And Ria Enriquez Vlog, shout out Ria Enriquez Vlog, thank you. And Sisikoy Nana Honey YTC, please subscribe also. Nana Honey YTC, she's very supportive, guys. And Love Travel Music, adding you, thank you, adding love. Pasensya na kayo, kalawete ako. And of course, what's this? Kimi Dora's Vlog. Siguro ito si Sikoy Dora. Sikoy Dora, i-check ko yung mga channels nyo mamaya. And Onyo Kabsat, shout out all the way from Baguio City. Osang Rakitera, thank you so much. And punta tayo sa mga short videos, sa latest videos, Official Pinoy, shout out, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys, to those who watch my latest videos and support my simple latest videos. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, I would like to shout out to all my sisikoys. Sisikoy Larian Director, shout out. Sisikoy Jobs in Howard. Sisikoy Nana Ani YTC. Sisikoy Dekada China. Sisikoy Susana G. Sisikoy El de los Santos Mix Vlog. Sisikoy Princess Freya. Sisikoy, sorry, hindi ako nalo sa'yo, pasensya na. Kasi estudyakes ang sisikoy nyo para maging abogaga kung palarin ni Diyos, kung papalarin tayo ng Diyos. So hindi ko man matapos ang pinag-aralan ko ngayon bilang abogaga. At least meron nang nakalagay sa utak natin na mga basic, okay lang yun, para may puhunan, utak ang puhunan. Ginagrab ko lang ang opportunity ko habang nandito ka sa ibang bansa. Alam nyo naman sa ating bayan natin sa Pilipinas, mahirap ang buhay at hindi basta-basta maghanap ng trabaho. So, Sikoy Good Vibes Marie, shout out. Sikoy Good Vibes Marie. Nils TV, shout out. Nabubulol ako. Sikoy Leah B. Sikoy Leah B. Sandes, thank you, Sikoy. And Jelay Channel, Love Trouble Music, adding ko, and Talpa Cakes, and Susi Pretty Lady Tulipa Tulip, shout out. Jelay Channel, ulit na. Code Sambuhing TV, shout out. Sa lahat ng mga aking sisikoy na hindi ko nabanggit, shout out everyone. And Kabsat Tiwala Lang TV, shout out. Sisikoy na Hani YTC, very supportive din yan sa atin. And TY Best, hi TY Best, shout out. I hope you're okay. So thank you guys. Big thanks to all of you. Tantran Channel. Kung ano na yung maisip ko. Tol Thinking OFW, all the way from Saudi Arabia. Hi Tol, kumusta na? Magulo na yung idol natin. Paano yung tatay na natin? Ipag-pray natin ang tatay digong natin, Tol Thinking OFW, kasi Maka Duterte yan. Maka Duterte ka man or hindi, basta nasa iyo na yan. Wala nang kukontra. At siyempre kanya-kanya tayong may pinaninindigan at pinaniniwalaan. At sana manalig tayo kay Lord lagi at ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. And again, I would like to thank all of you guys, especially to those who always supporting me here in my small YouTube channel, and especially to all my simple videos who supporting me. Thank you so much. To all my sisikoy, to all my friends, thank you. And before I end, I would like to ask a favor. Please, to those who did not subscribe me, please subscribe me. Rose Damela Vlog, future attorney. Feeling. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And this is Rose Damela Vlog, all the way from the United Arab Emirates. Thank you and God bless us all. Thank you.